Home of the, we blow it up.
Yeah.
We fix it.
We fix it, we blow it up.
To me, this is what it's all about. Being able to get my shit off the jack stands, pull it out of the garage, and actually go out and enjoy it. I'm always talking on the channel, get your shit off the jack stands, and that's exactly what we've always done here with our black car. We've actually set the black car up to where we can enjoy it a lot on the street, run some errands in it, meet up with some friends, and instead of constantly beating it up at a track. So let's go for a ride. It's a nice day. Got some errands to run in it, and that's exactly why I got this car set up the way I do. Always talking on the channel, get your shit off the jack stands, and this is exactly why. Get out to be able to enjoy your fox body on a nice, clean, sunny day. We got to find some E85 though, so we got a little bit of an adventure tonight. All right, so we set up a road map. We're on our way to meet up with some friends. Stop is AutoZone though. Got a wideband I got to exchange. We've had a, we had a bad wideband on the Holly, so. Okay, so these damn widebands are like tripled in price in like a damn year. I get the 17025, and it's crazy. Like those things are like $180 now, but I had to exchange one that was faulty. I had a couple Holly sensors that were faulty too, like out of the box. Let's go find some E85 and head to our destination. By far, some of the best memories I've ever had in my fox body Mustangs over the years was just being able to pull them out of the garage and go for a ride. Being able to kick back, catch some scenery, meet up with some friends, take some family out to eat. Pretty much all that. If you listen to me drive here, you might be able to hear it on the camera. Every time I hit a bump, it jiggles. We got some things we definitely want to address here on our black fox body. I raced it for a number of years. The car's been 150. It's been mid-nines. Now I just want to really enjoy it, kind of retire it a little bit. We are on our way out to find some E85 before we run out of fuel. The closest station is Madison. It's perfect weather here in Northeast Ohio, mid-70s. The air's nice, the scenery's nice, and we're just cruising right along. Closest station is Madison, about 25 minutes away. And just so happened one of my buddy's shop is very close to that. We're gonna pop in and say hello. 35-year-old sunroof doing its thing. Still functions. So we set the black car up a number of years ago on E85 because it was turbocharged. E85 is a pump gas. It's a pretty good fuel to use for power. Plus, it's like equivalent to like 104 octane. And the best part is it's only about $2.75 a gallon. And I've seen it as low as $1.50. So it makes for a good fuel to use for performance and street applications. But it does require a nice fuel system, so that's where the money is spent. But over time, I'm sure I've saved a lot of money just using it instead of buying race fuel. What in the shit?
Welcome to Dan Watts Racing.
Home of the, we blow it up. Yeah. We fix it.
We fix it, we blow it up again and fix it.
What's up, John? Distilla, that's what I'm talking about.
Distilled water, baby.
Yeah.
So popsicles for a shop.
Right.
Yup.
Shit.
Not detergent, because...
Oh, well, you can't have your streetcar without some pretzels and... Man,
yeah, we gotta go golfing.
Oh, but you got golf clubs, bro,
Yep.
like you were saying.
Yeah.
No.
So...
What's going on? What's good?
I had to go buy some fresh oil,
Oh, we run the Rotella T6, bro.
Yeah.
That's what we always
So what
run.
happened was, I was excited because I wanted to get the car started. And I started priming the oil system and never put the drain plug in, so I filled my entire diaper full of oil.
Check this out, bro. Don't put that in your motor. So you guys know this car. Last time we was here, you got the dyno bikes that I'm about to steal.
There's a dyno,
Carl.
a Peugeot.
Ooh.
Yeah. We got a dyno Aero over here.
Where? Son, where? Oh, you guys are rebuilding another bike?
Yeah.
Look, back in the 80s and 90s, this is where it was at. Basically, we turned this shit from this shit. We started here. Look at this, bro. Where did you get this frame?
A friend of mine found it at a scrapyard.
A scrapyard.
He was throwing it away.
Dude, that's a $1,000 frame.
He was throwing it out of garbage, and he grabbed it. It was like, nope, I'm taking that.
Bicycles are just as bad as cars when it comes to money. John, did you do bicycles or skateboards?
Bicycles.
Yeah!
You know, if you talk, I found like multiple of the Mustang people that I run into. Anybody see the drag racing? They were either into drag racing, Toyota pickup trucks, and BMX.
Look at this, bro.
Yeah, that's an old school.
Oh, shit. There we go.
With the flip down pegs.
Dude, come on. This is what we used to do back when I was 10, 12.
Yeah.
Same thing we doing right now. I'd rather be working on shit than having to deal with shit. Bro, fuck out of here. Nom, nom, nom.
Yeah, so
Go ahead.
in the modular Ford shit, you take a $10 pump sprayer, right? Put it into your sensor port for your oil, and then just pump it up and let that pump the oil into the motor so you can prime your oil system, because there's not like an old school Chevy, you can't like turn the oil pump, you can't spin the distributor, right. So this will make all the lifters and adjusters and chain tensioners, everything up in the motor, everything pressurized. So I zip tie the trigger shut, I pump it up, fill it up, 1.5 gallons of oil, pump it up, just walk away, just let it slowly fill it up. Looking at the car, I'm like, what is dripping oil? I forgot to put the drain plug in, and it filled the entire diaper. It was just pouring. I looked, I'm like, so I had to drain all the oil out and go spend another $50 on oil. I was like,
I mean, if it ain't oil coming out, it's water. Edit. Fuck. Edit.
but so these Neomustangs blocks, dude, everything lined right up. Everything is exactly the same as the Texas block, as the iron block. I mean, anything 4.6, it's all modular, it all works.
We went to a flea market.
Swap meet, flea market,
He called it a flea market,
scrap
bro.
yard, I don't know.
Like,
I don't
look,
know.
I was like looking for knockoff shoes and shit. I was looking for,
people buy parts, but I guess it's a swap meet is what they call it. Pull apart, whatever.
man, pull apart. You better leave pull apart out your mouth, bro.
Underneath all this.
7 of them. So this is your old one?
Yeah, so these are the old ones. And
So-
then the ones against the wall are the new ones. Those are the 3 that I've blown up this year.
Could have had 8, but we ended up getting 7 Neomustangs blocks, which is the 09, 010 Illuminator.
Correct.
And that's what Dan basically just started over with his Cobra.
Correct.
So he's literally on a block that has 0 miles now.
If you want one, there is the ability to buy one. Technically 4 more to go.
Yeah, Dan was good. Dan wanted them all. He wanted them all. 4.6. This is what we're talking about.
It could be 2 valve, 3 valve, any Mustang. If you're looking to build a motor for it, these are brand new, 0 mile, 0 machining. They're ready to
There's
go.
the date right there, 09, isn't it?
Yep. Yeah, that's a production date.
Never been assembled. They were
5/13 of 09.
they were sitting in a corner of a
A parts warehouse.
parts
basically.
warehouse in the corner of a. Wow, that thing was huge. It was
big as a
that was
super
a
Walmart.
campus. That was
Yeah.
a campus.
Yeah, it's like a super Walmart.
He's like, I don't even know what these are, but they're for sale. And I'm like, okay. So we bought them all. This is John's Mercedes turbocharged. That's badass, boy. Stick shift. We gonna go for a ride. Fuck it. Let's go. Don't kill me. I ain't a very good passenger. Well, you're gonna be on YouTube, so.
That's all right.
Well, let's see about that work, man.
It works. Just from 85.
Of course it'll work from 85. What are we talking about? Oh boy.
Diff's a little noisy. Don't mind that.
Let me tell you what, my car rattles from every corner.
I'll give you a little 1, 2, 3 here.
All right, here we go. Uh-oh. About 150 miles an hour. Well, maybe not 150, man. Listen to that dip. I ain't been, dude, I haven't been in the passenger seat years.
No?
No. It's like one of my things, you know what I mean? It's like I'll drive the piss out of a car, even when it's crooked or whatever, going down the track. No problem. But I get in the passenger seat, it's like, what the fuck?
Reaching for shit.
Yeah, like, where's the chute? No, that was fucking cool. So what year is this?
So 1985.
Mercedes?
Mercedes 190 Cosworth.
Cosworth.
Yes. And it has a 1JZ out of a Mark III Toyota Supra in it.
What? What about the trans? Did that come with it?
No, actually, this is a AR5 transmission out of a Pontiac Solstice Turbo, and it also has a Nissan 240SX rear end.
Okay. I'm a big fan of the 240SX. They do a lot of, like, they do 302 swaps with them. They do 2JZ swaps with them. I've seen a lot of that.
Oh yeah.
It's a pretty popular. It's a railroad car. It's a pretty popular car.
I had a 95 back in the day before I put this together. So.
It's a badass car. If I had one, that'd be the one I'd have. Mind your business.
Nothing going on.
Nothing going on here.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
It's okay.
It's okay. We're good.
The diff is not going to explode.
We almost had to push it home.
It's going to explode. It's definitely going to explode.
This is definitely something that I've been missing for sure. Being able to just meet up with some friends, take a ride, cruise, check out some of the popular tourist attractions here in Northeast Ohio like Geneva on a Lake, and just actually enjoy my car for once. It still makes good horsepower. It'll still burn tires in all the gears, but it's not radical, and I can take care of it and start doing some of the things to it that I've been wanting to do for years. That's pretty much all I got for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed me foxbodying today. Ran a couple errands, took you along for the ride. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Hit that join button below, become a member of the channel. Outside that, I just appreciate you watching. So let me drop a gear and disappear. See you soon in the next one.